Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: app version, plugin compatibility, and the session sample rate. This avoids later format issues. Once done, open the preset manager and load the Only Way recording preset. This applies compression, input routing, and preferred markers all at once. Make sure to set input gain so peaks sit below clipping, adjust buffer size for latency versus stability, and enable monitoring. These first actions put you into a controlled, repeatable recording state. Once the preset is loaded, focus on channel routing and signal flow so each mic goes to the right track and bus. This prevents bleed and simplifies edits. Next, fine-tune EQ and compression settings. Lower the compression threshold gradually while listening, because overcompression kills dynamics. Make sure attack and release match the performance. Faster attack tames transients, slower release preserves sustain. Finally, set metering and auto-save intervals, and engage clipping protection to catch hardware spikes before they ruin a take. You finish by doing a level check. Record a 20 to 30 second test take and inspect waveforms for clipping, noise, and latency. This confirms the preset behaves in real use. Once satisfied, save the session as a template and lock critical parameters so accidental tweaks won't break future sessions. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting tip. Reset the preset to defaults, verify audio drivers and sample rates match, and reassign inputs methodically until the bad behavior disappears. This isolates the cause fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.